स्टॉक मार्केट को लेकर लोगों का एक मिसकंसेप्शन है कि स्टॉक मार्केट में बड़ा पैसा लगाने से ही पैसा बनता है। This is nothing more than a myth. There are many ways to succeed in the stock market, and investing small amounts has a lot of benefits. Let's look at them. A lot of people never benefit from investing because the mental barrier to entry is too big for them. Small investments can get the ball rolling for hesitant people. छोटा अमाउंट इन्वेस्ट करने से आपका कॉन्फिडेंस बढ़ेगा और आप इन्वेस्टमेंट से कंफर्टेबल हो जाओगे। Investing with little money will also build your knowledge as you will learn by doing. थ्योरी और प्रैक्टिस में हमेशा फर्क होता है और रहेगा। स्मॉल अमाउंट्स इन्वेस्ट करके आपको स्टॉक मार्केट की प्रैक्टिकल बातों की जानकारी मिलेगी। ओपनिंग बेल, क्लोजिंग बेल, trading on margin, stop loss orders and a lot more. On top of this, putting a toe in the pond will help you emotionally adjust to the stock market. Investment में ups and downs तो होते हैं and this might be a source of stress for a new investor. अगर आपको छोटे अमाउंट्स इन्वेस्ट करने का एक्सपीरियंस है तो आप मार्केट लोज में भी लेवल हेडेड रहोगे। Do remember, you make up for the small amounts with your early start. By starting early, you expose yourself to the power of the compound effect. Start low and reinvest the profits. This will grow both the principal invested and the gains accrued. So, don't let small amounts stop you from making your first investments. These days, you can easily invest in an SIP, a systematic investment plan. SIPs have a very low barrier to entry. A lot of them start at 500 rupees. As a new investor, the size of your first investment is not as important as your clarity and self-awareness. Before investing your first rupee, you must know your time horizon, risk appetite, and financial goals. Time horizon is the interval over which you expect to see returns. Risk appetite is your capacity for risking loss to potentially make more profit. Your financial goals are the reason you start to invest, and they could range from buying a new house to saving for your retirement. अगर इन तीनों फैक्टर्स को लेकर आप क्लियर हैं, तो आप इन्वेस्टर बनने के लिए रेडी हैं। Don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel and share this video with your friends who may be nervous to start investing.
Investments in securities market are subject to market risks. Read all the related documents carefully before investing.